Mastering the past continuous, was and were, made easy. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we'll be focusing on an integral part of English grammar, the past continuous tense. Specifically, we're going to dive deep into the topic of using was and were while forming the past continuous tense. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using these auxiliary verbs correctly. Let's get started. The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, describes an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. The key components of this tense are the auxiliary verbs was and were, and the main verb with ing ending. The basic structure is I, he, she, it was plus verb ing. You, we, they were plus verb ing. The word was is an auxiliary verb used in the past continuous tense. We use was with the subjects I, he, she, and it. Here are some examples. I was reading a book. She was playing the piano. It was raining. Remember, after was, we always use the verb with an ing ending to denote an action that was in progress in the past. Now, let's talk about were. This auxiliary verb is used with you, we, and they in the past continuous tense. Here are some examples. You were studying for the exam. We were watching a movie. They were waiting for the bus. Again, don't forget the ing ending for the main verb after were. Now that you know how to use was and were correctly, let's look at a common mistake to avoid. It's important to remember not to use was with you, we, or they, and not to use were with I, he, she, or it. Incorrect usage of these auxiliaries is a common error, but now that you're aware, you can avoid it. And that's a wrap on our episode dedicated to was and were in the past continuous tense. You're now equipped with the knowledge to use these auxiliary verbs correctly and confidently. Always remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember to stay curious about language. In our next video, we will delve deeper into more interesting facets of the English language. Until then, happy learning!